Hey everyone, if y'all watched our last video, I said that we'd be doing an update video. Well, this is it. We've done a couple things on the paint. We've rusted it, then we've sanded it, the whole thing, and then rusted it under the trim. We rusted it, and we put some patina on, not patina, we put some clear coat, clear coat on it to make it a darker brown than what it looks like when it's just rusted. We moved the patina to the back. We come to the back here. We've kind of shined up this side too. Sanded it, rusted it, clear coated it. Put the bitumen here with the shiny. And same on this side. This side looks a little darker, but I think it's because didn't y'all sand more on the right side?
We did it in two separate sections. We clear coated that side to kind of see what it was going to look like before we did this side. And we prepped it differently. When we did the other side, I don't think I wiped it down completely, and some of the rust kind of came back through a little bit. So when I did this side, I wiped it down really good before we did the clear coat, and it didn't really rust at all, or none of the rust came back through at least. So now they're kind of uneven. Two sides are uneven, so we're gonna have to work on the driver's side a little bit more and make it match, or make the passenger side match. So that's what we're in the process of doing now.
Okay. And same on the top, but we haven't clear coated it yet, and we haven't sanded, so it's really rough. But this has been hard to do because this is what the rain hits. And update on the wheels. So we want to spray paint them. Instead of them being the dark green, we want them to be the light green. So it'll kind of be like, like a green, brown green. And instead of the hubcaps being right like that, we want them to be just covering this like around here, so you have the hubcap and then you can see the paint. That's what we're gonna do. Is there anything else? Oh, the grill. Yeah, so we took all this off the grill and we've done the same thing as the sides, sanded it, rusted it, and then clear coated. We did it on inside. Done it here too. This is a black. We've done it here on the black. This is kind of the test subject to see what the clear coat would look like. So that we did that too. And on the hood, you might notice, we kind of wanted to even the patina out. So instead of it just being rusted on that side and not on that side, we kind of took a Dremel and just kind of added some fake rust parts into it. So, yeah.
If you look closely at it, you can see we have spots like this, and then some like the primer coming through, and these little blue-gray spots. They don't really match anything else on the car, so that's what we've been doing, is kind of
you just have to look really close to tell.
Going through and dremeling on those spots to try to lessen them so they're not so obvious. Blue spots like that and that, just
little things.
Yeah, just little spots to try to make more patina and blend it in a little bit better. So that's what we've been working on.
Little things like the what do you call these? Like the
these are just the headlight cover type deals. Yeah,
and we painted them spray painted them like, I don't know, like a chrome gray.
Yeah, they're like I don't know if they're metal or like an aluminum, but we couldn't match, they wouldn't rust like this did, like this. So I tried to go buy some chrome from spray paint from the O'Reillys, and it's definitely not chrome, it's silver, like a gray silver. So we might have to find somebody who chrome plates those, or try to find some that are already chrome.
We probably just buy new ones.
and
Off of, like,
try to get them re-chromed or figure out something else, because you don't really see any that are this color. They're always whatever this color is over here, and we're definitely not going to be able to match that brown rust look with this, so got to figure out another option. So
Yeah, we're kind of going for like a bomber jacket design, like, you know, like bomber jacket, like 1940s, 50s, like
Yeah.
bomber jackets. Like,
yeah,
you know,
like old, when you think of old airline, old military look is kind of what we're going for with the brown and the tans and the dark leathers. Well, that's what we're going to be doing on the inside too eventually with the seats. When we also went through and did.
Oh yeah, we took the
The,
door cards off and everything. I think we're gonna do. My mom, she wants to tackle the job of reupholstering the seats.
Yep.
So we've taken them out on the back side. This is kind of where we've been laying the front pieces on the sides.
Yeah, it's just a holding spot now,
Yeah.
but all the seats are going to be redone, and we haven't decided either a dark or like a tan or dark leather type material, brown material.
They're gonna be brown.
Yeah.
So we kind of want to do the same thing with the outside, the brown and green on the inside. So it's just gonna be because they're complementary colors. So that's why it's gonna be like that.
Anything else, bud?
So
Project Low and Slow looking good over there.
oh yeah, there's Zance looking happy.
If anybody saw us at the car show or saw the truck at the car show, comment below. No one comments below because nobody saw it. But that was a good turnout. We had a good time with that. Yep. So, anything else, bud?
Like 2 hours and talked about the truck.
Okay. Anything else, bud?
I'm trying to remember. But that's it, actually. Thank you guys for watching the update. Like and subscribe, and I guess we'll see you guys in the next one.